What is up, creators? Anthony here, and welcome to 14 Day Filmmaker, the program that teaches you everything you need to know to start shooting beautiful cinematic commercials with just 2 hours a day for 2 weeks. Now, we're serious when we say our emphasis is on speed here. We know how busy everyone is, and the faster we can get you out there landing great jobs or just shooting content that sells for your own business, the better. So without any further ado, let's dive right into day one. We're gonna start by talking about camera gear, because you really can't shoot great content until you know what you're using and how to use it. Now, we realize everyone has a different budget for gear, and we're committed to proving that no matter what budget you have, you can produce amazing content. You can film on a cell phone like I am right now and create content that blows people away. Honestly, I've actually been trying to use my cell phone more for filming because it makes me focus on the fundamentals. Or you can use a $500 entry-level DSLR like the Nikon that I'm using right now. This is actually the first camera that I used for a paid job. So for me, it's where it all started. Or you can use a $2,000 camera like the Canon EOS R, which is filming this scene right now. This is really my go-to camera. I actually use it even more than my Canon 1DX Mark II, which is what I'm filming on right now. It's about a $6,000 setup, but I really don't use it that much anymore. It's a beast of a camera, but it's better suited for much larger productions. So many businesses nowadays are crushing it with content that was filmed on cell phones. So don't let the gear that you currently own hold you back from getting started in this industry. The fundamental principles we teach in this program are all you need to know to get started. Okay, back to the EOS R. So hopefully you can see that no matter what you're filming on, you can make it look amazing if you can master the fundamental laws of filmmaking we outline in this program. So don't get discouraged if you can't afford all of the fancy gear just yet. Like I said, I started in college with a $500 Nikon, and I was able to upgrade to the 1DX Mark II in less than a year of starting my filmmaking career, simply because I focused on practicing more than worrying about the technical specs of the cameras I was using. So below this video, you'll see multiple videos outlining our different camera and gear recommendations depending on your budget tier. Now remember, camera gear is constantly being updated and new models are coming out every month. So rather than only tell you exactly which models to buy, we also educate people on what to look for in purchasing gear. So you'll be armed with the knowledge to buy gear for years and years to come. So first, without any further ado, the next module in today's training will outline the major things to consider when researching and purchasing camera gear. Once we cover those basics, we'll also have several short videos outlining exactly what we would recommend people to buy depending on their budget tier. Along with that, we have written PDF outlines containing recommendations with a list of associated pros and cons. So hopefully, as you can see, we've done a lot of the heavy lifting here. So you don't need to waste hours, days, and even weeks researching gear. And that's it. Watch the next few modules outlining what gear to look for and then choose the budget level you'd like to pursue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.